more problem me di afia amankwa tamaklo titiri obi ene ne de kan ya wo hwe ya saa ne ye no Adom TV so say the health tips ebro wo bedwam ya no pe bi 5 minutes ye nche wiki ni mu nyina ye fa topic ba ko a na da no bia ye di hu nkomo 5 minutes ene woi ye to ye nkomo ye di na wotwi mu efa men's health ho ye ne Dr. Abdul Karim and Adom Kome over no public health or your Dr. Penny woman, the be public health in no or boy into your body plume or member more dear, as I say. Then you saw Fasadama endpoint homeopathic clinic, Ninti any Dr. Penny and a casse. To say a real point dear, young feeling chair endpoint or friend the be a how or pomodimono, or bet you no about 0244 867068. Do me dog wa ha ye di enkom dog me mu akwaba yes ye da se papa awchimo oh boy nti se pese ye hu roller emema ewo so betumi atwe hu afri enyarewa huduo mu bibi wo ho no bema betumi aye atwe no afri condition bi ho ana
yes nyama bebre ho a ye betumi aye a ebe preventive amaya na ebe twe yen free yare mu
okay
se se ni awudi what nyama woody edwane ben na woody edwane so woody no say na woody no at what time na woody no and at time na woody no we are yes so be exercises are all year
okay
into general well-being no sorry a weekend utimi bobo utimi nante kakra se sia akra into traffic ni nyama ya de into na ka mu che edu office so a e bia ya tena sesa ya ntimi kra nya time en nante kakra ma ye blood no en circulate much more better. And yes, so say your friend is saying edwane ye di exercises. E be sound so ahwe say na you're dealing with issues and only towards the mental health no. Say you're dealing with issue because you chrome how you say and most of the time in African society no you say a man shouldn't show emotions. But nyame boy in such a way so obia or emotions na one sasa na wo emotions the fact say untimi hu doesn't mean say any ho and to say if we are not in pet time na pet ways of preventing all this dealing with all these things to prevent when problem comes and never ya obo sa sem bi kakra ba na nipa no it's difficult for the person to say obetimi agina na nice bio
okay but mema ho omo etimi di wo mo hu nkomo be ma betimi a share the story and any problem with the other man.
And yes, so common because a lot of the time the problem almost share almost community so almost kasa is not about it's about businesses or families but ebia nipa no asembisha na komem ebia the person is going through heartbreak the person is going through infertility issues the person is going through some grief ontimi nka enti obeyedi ana nipa na kasa so ende we say Odun so I am going. Now maybe it's not going on with him. Instead of so baby for help, or be prefer say or be discuss about businesses just because they need to maintain some level of expectations.
Or yare
or bre. But onka obey din I just say bedru time ontimi manage and I'm saying a lot of young people are dying and it's very prevalent in men. A lot of the times the people are dying from high blood pressures and a lot of different issues and suicide is very common in men. Yarewa bebre very preventable very common in men compared to women because a lot of the time your society they say it's all over the world. Bema shouldn't show this. You are a man. You should stand on your feet. But the main issue is, how do you stand on your feet if nobody is telling you or nobody is helping you? Obey more. Sir, very important. See, now share all these ways. Young kasa, let's talk, let's vent in a very respectful way. Obi pastor or for some counseling. And I do say because Ghana a very religious base. They do say a training your pastors and our imams and our religious leaders on how to identify and so on with this kind of issues.
Okay. You fancy your Chenyan boy, but was Tino, a member fan show, a merino son say be how o business partner no, be a bit in a shake and I was for said the dog air cannon and fancy show my new coon, a be car canning solution be na show me will be a one, they be our pocket here day. if you know quite was the Indian Sisa, young Fasadama endpoint homeopathic clinic. Say ya real bay, young freno, a man on check here would dear Mohese be a kama, whilst and then man also check one prostate. Number is 0244 867068. Ochna, Kwani of Modin or Sabre ya Sache, Ebetwaso. I say, I'm more called baby, may Adom TV, bedroom health tips na Uguso, Shania da Sepa Umbre. Hey, Missy Bedroom health tips. Eh, some more. And to a bedroom nina, say health tips in a year, ya babets na sinti, wiki munino, a men's health, and ye di hon, and commonti wadaroma, muntian ye, nedie, wiki munina memanoa, the servo muntian ye, a cofiam pedu, wadaroma bemena. Tie wapom den ho nsem no eyi na emoye fasedama endpoint homeopathic clinic won munti ene adokota fodi nkomo abribia ti enso yi gugu yi to menye osisi awutwi mu no nehia ko check prostate no scan ni e free scan ni de e free wo endpoint ene ma no so yen check awudie mu hwese bibia ye kama any infections yenko endpoint ho 0244 867068 0244 867068 no shayin kamochna sabrenu a 5 minutes yen chakra na yatoa yen komo no eso medase so je brehwe medi afia amankwa tamaklo